What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a magnetic selfie light. So if you're needing to brighten up your footage when you're doing your videos, say for instance like this, while you're on the go, or if you're in a controlled environment, this may be something that you want to consider. So let's open this up, take a look at it, and I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so once you open it up, you see a couple of things. You get a USB-C to USB-A cable. This is going to be to charge it because this unit doesn't have to be plugged in. It has a 2000 milliamp battery on here, so you just recharge this and it will last for a while. The selfie light is MagSafe, so you can use this on your devices with a magnetic ring, anything that's compatible with MagSafe. It'll be able to stick onto there. Also, you get your user manual, of course. And then you get a couple of accessories, ways to attach to help you, make sure that you are getting the full benefit of the selfie light. So you have this clip that you can use. Say, for instance, if you have a computer or a laptop, iPad, your screen, you can actually attach this to the screen. And boom, now you can mount your selfie light. So we have that. We also have an attachment for, say, for instance, a tripod. I have a tripod here. And we would just screw this on. And boom, now we can attach the light onto the tripod. So this is going to be the selfie light itself. There's 128 LEDs in here, and you have your settings on the side, your power button. You can see the brightness, and then you have your controls, which is actually going to control the brightness. And then also you have your different settings as far as your light, warmth or coolness, or if you want that natural white light. It's a great light to have. Now to get this attached, you can just clip it on, and boom, now you can do your video calls. If you're doing a interview, or if you're just doing a meeting on Zoom, you can attach it to your laptop or my iPad here. And now we have light so everyone can see you. You look your best. Or if you're just on the go, you need some extra light to help light up your scene, you can put this on a tripod. So now I have light to light up my scene to help get the look that I want. So if you have a MagSafe device, you can just, and boom, now you have instant light on here. So if you're using your phone to capture video, now you have a dedicated light source. So you just hit that. I can record and have nice studio style lighting. And also, you can attach this at different angles. So whether you want this nice vertical look, you can do that. If you want this horizontal look, you can mount it there as well. One option that I really like is they actually allow you to attach this directly to a tripod if you want to. You don't have to use this clip. Maybe you have a different type of setup. You already have mounts that you want to use for a specific reason. And this is extra helpful because you can just screw it in. And now, boom, I'm good to go. So this is a nice, versatile selfie light. I would highly recommend it for anyone that's in video. If you're vlogging, if you're shooting photos, this is going to be a nice extra filler light, a nice quick light that you can take with you and set it up really easy, really fast. Well, guys, this is going to be the magnetic selfie light. Actually, you can really say that it's a multi-interface selfie light. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.